Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: clean hands, charged battery, and the correct dose cup. Open the bird-shaped chassis, remove the nebulizer chamber, and inspect seals so no leaks occur. Once done, attach the mouthpiece or mask. Use a pediatric or adult mask that fits snugly. Make sure the unit sits level. Odd angles change aerosol flow. Then press the power briefly to view the LED. This confirms the compressor and battery are ready before you add medication. You assemble the internal parts deliberately. Fit the nebulizer chamber onto the base and double-check the O-ring seating to prevent loss of pressure. Next, draw medication using the syringe from a vial and pour into the chamber. Accurate dosing matters for efficacy and safety. Once filled, reconnect tubing firmly to the compressor outlet, then attach the selected mask or mouthpiece. Make sure tubing has no kinks. Good airflow ensures droplet size and delivery match the prescription. You begin treatment by switching the Penguin on and observing steady mist. Typical sessions take 8 to 12 minutes until the reservoir is nearly empty. Once complete, switch off, unplug, and disassemble. Rinse the chamber and mask with warm water, shake off excess, and let components air dry, no heat. If mist is weak or stops, make sure the battery is charged, tubing is secure, the nozzle is unclogged, and the O-ring intact. If issues persist, contact support or replace worn seals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.